So the quickest way to remove this cover here, the simplest way for me, I say, is to open the glove box, and then right here, let me show you. Right here, you put your pry tool. This will be the easiest portion to start because there's a clip. There's a metal clip right here. So if you grab in here with your pry tool and you get in there, you'll actually, there you go. And now it popped the clip out here, and there's another one along this corner. So just nicely, this has been taken off before, but normally you're gonna want to grab your pry tool and go along this corner. There's more. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. So once I'm over here, try to pull a little more. So pull a little, and then boom, now it comes off a little easier. This should be another clip over here. There it goes. There was another clip here, and there's more clips down here. So it's already loose enough where I could pull it out, and then just gotta watch the gear selectors in the way. So now this piece is off, and the screws that you need to remove are right here. They're along the I'll get close so I can show you. So you need to remove this screw right here. So we're going to take this one there, out, and then like I said, if we come further down here, you pull this tray back. Let's see if I'm going to go a little sideways with the camera. There's a screw in there, and there's a screw in there. So I will show you. That one. So now it's almost ready to come out, but we have to take out this bottom piece. So easiest way, put your finger back here because there's a clip here, and then there's a clip over there. Grab your finger and pull. There you go. See? Clip, clip, toss it to the side, and you have two more screws right there and right there. I'm gonna buzz those off real quick. That should be it. Yep, there you go. And now you can take your cup holder out and replace it with a newer one that actually works, that isn't broken. This one isn't broken, just needs to be lubed up. So that's pretty much it. A little quick, little under 4-minute video on how to replace your cup holder. So in order to put it back, you just replace the 4 screws that you saw me take out and push all those things in the reverse order. That's it. Talk to you guys later.